about constant ringing in your ears and you've been told there is nothing you can do, that is not true. Hi, I'm Dr. Shema Yalchinkaya, a tinnitus specialist and audiologist, and I have had tinnitus for years, so I know exactly how it feels. I try everything: diets, sound therapy, mindfulness, supplements, but what really works is training my brain to tune it out. It's called habituation and it is life changing. My tinnitus is still there, but now I barely notice it because I rewired how my brain responds to the sound using science-based techniques. And that is exactly what I teach in my program, the Ultimate Tinnitus Relief Habituation Framework, a step-by-step path using cognitive behavior therapy, acceptance and commitment therapy, sound therapy, and mindfulness to help you finally get relief. You can take your life back even with tinnitus. Let me show you how. If you want to learn more about the Ultimate Tinnitus Relief Framework, check out the link in my bio.